Hello guys, welcome back. It's your girl Amanda Gaming, and today I got a co-host with me, and his name is
rahjaegaming. Guys, me have my YouTube channel. Make sure you take out it. And I'm rahjaegaming. I'm gonna play San Andreas, GTA San Andreas.
and same here too. Okay, so we're going to play
Guys,
a new.
like and subscribe. We're sorry 30, me just want 30 subscribers, guys.
Same too. Okay, today we're going to play Subway Surf. Isn't that right, Rajay?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go.
Yes.
Let's go right at it.
Guys, we come out to play, but not this time. So
Yep.
I'm just watching.
And helping me.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to pick a new character. Okay, who do you think is the best character, Ajay? Whoa, look at this.
Let's go with
No, that need Facebook. That need
I
money.
know.
Okay, him. Ooh, cool. Okay, so I'm going to pick the board. And I think I'm going to pick,
Teleport on.
let me try the teleport one. Oh, it's not possible yet. I must get tokens? Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. Yes, splash. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Rajay.
Yeah.
Really, with the ads? Are you kidding me? I hate the ads. Okay, let's go now. Security really after me right now?
Guys, yeah, must be their school.
Yep.
Guys, when I am playing this game, I don't love the jumping boat.
Yeah,
Guys, one time I am playing, guys, and I am jumping with the boat.
Let me see them in
And
something.
guys, when I was jumping in the boat, guys, and I jump and I just land in the train.
Wow. It's a sad story. Give him a round of applause. Oh God. And you know, me realize so he just coming in fast. Bomba! Oh, this shit.
Do not make mom hear me.
Oh, 7? We just need about 3 more. We go.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Guys, comment down below the high score.
Yeah.
I think. Shall I go?
Yeah. Because I just, one play me and do it.
And remember, guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel.
Oh, thank you. And same to his challenge too, guys. So Rajay, after shit. Oops, sorry. So Rajay, after the last video you did post, boom, what? Am I that salt? Okay, so Rajay, after the video of Grand Theft you did post last time, are you going to post a new video?
I'm going to do part 2.
Part 2?
Yeah. Guys, go and check out part 1. Huh? I was very tired to drive the ambulance.
I can imagine. Bad.
Guys, I'm coming to Jamaica tomorrow.
Yes, England is amazing. You should try it sometime.
You can, if you're in Jamaica, if you see me, just
give us a shout out, you know.
Yeah. So guys,
I know you might not really know how we looked, because we never really show our face on it, but you can see our TikToks. My TikTok is at QueenManda128. And yours at? That?
I don't have a TikTok page.
Wow.
Guys,
Wow. Wow.
going for Amanda128 on TikTok.
It's Queen Manda 128.
Queen Manda128.
You all watch my video, guys.
Guys, I'm in it.
Yes.
The boy. The boy.
The boy. Oh God, how many of us we can't even concentrate? Oh, boom.
I'm the boy, guys.
The boy.
The boy.
The boy. The boy. So he's the boy. Maybe if we got to the board was evil.
Guys, you see, guys, you see if I know me, I see I hold the camera. No.
How am I gonna say you hold the camera? Get ready with that man now.
Guys, you see if you don't see me on my TikTok video, what she post? Guys, I'm here hold the camera. So guys,
How do I know how you're looking at the camera? And then you hold the camera. This makes sense?
what them in there? Just tell them say, if they not see me, I'm here hold the camera.
Okay, I understand completely now. Come and miss me jumping scooter.
Not jumping scooter,
Hopscotch?
no.
What is it?
So I swing pants we go now, and then I run back.
What's it called? Yeah. You name it?
Jump on.
Yeah, I know the pops
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Guys, comment below or tell me what it is, because right now we never know. We never talk about.
She just love collect them here. I hate collect.
I wonder what's my high score right now. I just hope me pass the 534 something there.
You're never going to pass it.
Maybe I'll be mega rich in 6.
Okay.
Guys, do you think I'm going to make it in the 6 or 7, or am I going to still into 500?
Guys, she is not.
Yeah. I'm not what?
Yes, she is not going to pass that high score.
Oh, don't wish bad on me. I know I'm going to pass it.
So long that is going to take long. Guys, do you see the
Right now I'm sweating right now.
guys, we usually call the first character we have Johnny Run.
Johnny Run.
Johnny Run, we call it, guys.
Johnny.
So see the character see on your right?
Yeah.
Johnny
It's
Run.
him.
Yeah. Johnny Run.
That say top run.
Yeah.
He's Johnny Run with the hat.
So guys, that's his score on the bottom.
Yeah.
Every time pass his score.
Boom! Then I can have curse as if you lose or something.
I guess.
Guys, when the key run out and so, oh God, I'm sorry for me. So a Johnny Run in calling.
Johnny Run.
Me have to try and beat Fame High School, right? Johnny Run. Guys, me still have enough time. Oh shit. Oh, what if? Oh God. Okay guys, I got the edit right here. I know this is not what you expected, but my auntie's here. And I'm glad, 2 of them, my cousins from England. I'm so glad. So I'm so sorry that I'm not going to finish this right now. But I just hope you give me the likes and, subscription, comments and those. So I'm going to end it right here now. And this is my annoying cousin right now.